Hello, my friend. Welcome to T9B English channel. My name is Tamim. I am a student. I am here to help you learn English in a simple way. Today, we will do something very powerful. We will learn how to think in English. But first, let me ask you one question. Do you understand English but you cannot speak? If your answer is yes, this video is for you. Here is the problem. You are not slow. You are not bad at English. You are translating. You think in your language, then you translate to English. This makes you slow. This makes you confused. Today, we will stop that. In this video, I will help you think in English, step by step, day by day. This is a 7-day method. Simple, easy, powerful. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a partner. You just need practice. So let's begin. Day 1. Think with simple words. Today, we start very simple. No big sentences, only small thoughts. Look around you. See things. Say them in English. Now listen and repeat. I am in my room. This is my table. This is my phone. I see a chair. I see a window. Now you repeat again. I am in my room. This is my table. Good. Very good. Do not translate. Just say what you see. I am sitting. I am looking. I am thinking. Again repeat. I am sitting. I am looking. Good. This is how you start. Day 2. Think about your actions. Now we go to day 2. Today, you will think about your actions. What are you doing? Say it in English. Listen and repeat. I am eating. I am drinking water. I am walking. I am opening the door. I am closing the door. Again repeat. I am eating. I am walking. Very good. Now make your own sentence. I am studying. I am watching a video. Perfect. Do not think too much. Just say it. Day 3. Think about your day. Now, day 3. Today, think about your day. Morning, afternoon, evening. Listen and repeat. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I come back home. Again repeat. I wake up early. I go to school. Good. Now say your day. I wake up at 7. I eat rice. I study English. Very good. Day 4. Think about your feelings. Now, day 4. Today, we talk about feelings. Listen and repeat. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am busy. I am excited. Again repeat. I am happy. I am tired. Good. Now say your feeling. I am tired today. I am happy now. Very good. Day 5. Think in short sentences. Now, day 5. Today, we make short sentences. Listen and repeat. I am in my room. I am watching a video. I am learning English. I feel good today. Again repeat. I am learning English. I feel good today. Great. Now your turn. I am at home. I am eating food. Perfect. Day 6. Think without stop. Now, day 6. Today, you will think without stopping. No translation. Just speak in your mind. Listen and repeat. I wake up. I feel sleepy. I drink water. I go outside. I see people. Again repeat. I wake up. I drink water. Good. Now try alone. Say everything in English. Day 7. Think naturally. Now, day 7. This is the final day. Now you think naturally. Listen and repeat. Today is a good day. I feel confident. I can speak English. I am improving every day. Again, repeat. I feel confident. I can speak English. Very good. You did it. Final message. Now listen carefully. You don't need perfect English. You need daily practice. If you practice like this every day, you will start thinking in English. And when you think in English, you will speak faster. You will speak better. If this video helps you, subscribe to T9B English channel. Practice every day. Do not stop. I would like to finish here today. See you again some other day.